This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Renata Mason. Great, private location in sought-after James Street Estates. This well-maintained home features nicely landscaped yard, west-facing outdoor living space as well as attached sunroom. Home features hardwood floors, open floor plan with living and family rooms. Lots of natural light, spacious master suite and air conditioning. Lots of off-street parking with carport and detached heated single-car garage with tons of storage. For more information, review the details below.